What's up, my YouTube family? You here again with your boy Skipper Drones. Today we're here with another mail call. I got a few things in the mail that I am going to be sharing with you guys today. So let's see what's going on here. Alright, the first one is from my bro MD95 Chris Justice. He sent me the gimbal arm for the Phantom 3 Standard. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Now I can get her in the air and get some good videos with her. Thank you, my brother. Set that over there. Alright, we got here. You know, we'll be having free bills going on, so this is, I was trying to wait on everything to come in, but this is my cleaner for my soldering station I ordered. I got coming in for my bills. I ordered a cleaner for the soldering iron. Pretty heavy duty. Nice. It's gonna be nice. Alright, I also got in. Let's see. Got in. Nice. You know what this is, you guys? 2 pair of gym fans, 51, 52, 3 bladed props. My bad. I got a little tongue tied, man. 3 bladed props. We got some white and we got some black. Look like 51, 52s. Some extra screws. Some scraps. A dipole antenna. 4 instructions. Dark Max 220. It's a it's a bunch of videos out on here already, but we will be doing a quick review on this later on. Let you know about what's all in her. The motors feel nice. These are DYS's. 2205 2550 kV racer editions. Yes, this is supposed to take up to a 6S. Like I said, it'll get up to like 100 miles per hour. So yes, nice camera. So we will be doing a quick review on this, just to let you guys know what's inside her and a quick flight. But that is the Dark Max. Nice. We'll be doing a unboxing and a quick review on that. So that is nice. Alright, you guys, this is what I think this is. Could you guess what this is? Haha. I think this is what we've been waiting for. Kinda heavy. Oh yeah. This is what we've been waiting on. I'm gonna have to sit this down so I won't scratch up the tail. Yes, this is what we've been waiting on. They got it good and padded, so they got it boxed up nice. Have y'all guessed yet? We got an Allen wrench. We got a spark plug tool, and a gasket look like for the muffler. Yes, you guys, it's just here. This is what we've been waiting on. This is an update on project I have been working on. Will you look at this, you guys? Sweet. Bring the camera up close and give y'all a good look. Look at that carburetor. Nice. This is a 30cc. A 30cc, you guys. This is what we've been waiting on. This is going in the 58-inch gas RC boat that I am rebuilding. She's finally got her. Look at that. Nice. Nice. I love this carburetor. Look. Chrome block. It's not plastic like the other one. Nice, you guys. This is gonna be nice. Nice. Look at her. I was thinking about ordering an electric start for her too, so we won't be doing all that pulling. But yeah, I'm about to get her installed, and just look at the carburetor. Oh my goodness. Nice, man. Nice. I'm excited. The last carburetor didn't have a choke on it. It's got a choke. So yeah, nice. Nice. 30cc. She's ready to do it. Yeah, I got flex shaft last time. It was old. Yeah, the flex shaft, it was old, so when I did get a chance to, when it did start, cause I was having problems starting the motor. I think it's the bearings inside. I got to get. I'm still gonna rebuild it. So I'll probably put that in something else, but this is the flex shaft here. I found one finally, and that should be on its way, and after that we'll be in the water. It broke and snapped, but it didn't look too good in the first beginning, so I'm glad, like I said, I did what it did before I took it out on that water. So I know when she hit the water this time, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be awesome. This is the motor I took out. This is the one that came out of it. I'm still gonna rebuild it, but look. And she matches up pretty nicely. Yes. Yes. So don't look like I'm gonna have to do no alterations on where to mount her. Look a little bit longer, but I think I'm gonna make it work. Yes, this is a new BT. Look at the carburetor, man. See the last one? It had that plastic. This here is not plastic, my friend. Nice. Yes, I'm gonna go through and make sure all the bolts are tightened down. put her in and crank her up, because it's good. I heard when you first get a motor and it's brand new, you want to break it in. You don't want to take it out there and run it full speed. They say a quarter throttle, about a half a tank of gas, a quarter throttle. So yes, this is one baby. Look how easy that is. That is easy. Sound good. Oh, see how hard that is? Yeah. I believe it's the bearings in there. I ain't gonna get too excited. I'm ready to start working tonight, you guys, but I'm gonna wait. Let's see here. Because I'm gonna have to so it should line up right, because I'm gonna have to take this bracket off here for my carburetor and put that on this carburetor. Ooh, 30 cc power. Power. 30 cc, baby. Well, you guys, I will talk to you later. And don't forget to hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. That helps me out a lot and I appreciate it. And I will see you guys on the next video. Alright, this is Skipper and I'm out.